Welcome to English Practice Every Day. This vocabulary quiz is at an advanced level. Let's start. Please keep a score for yourself. 1. The long hike left us with a feeling of dash dash and we eagerly rested by the campfire. B. Lassitude. Lassitude means a feeling of lack of interest or energy, or weakness characterized by a lack of energy. The long hike left us with a feeling of weakness and we eagerly rested by the campfire. 2. Despite his pain, John's dash dash allowed him to appreciate the beauty of the sunset. C. Sentience. Sentience means a capacity for subjective experience or consciousness. Despite his pain, John's consciousness allowed him to appreciate the beauty of the sunset. 3. Even in difficult times, one should maintain a dash dash outlook on life. D. Sanguine. Sanguine means confident, cheerful, and optimistic about things. Even in difficult times, one should maintain a cheerful and optimistic outlook on life. 4. The dash dash of Lisa's moods made it difficult for others to gauge her emotions. D. Vicissitude. Vicissitude means the quality of being changeable or unpredictable. The unpredictability of Lisa's moods made it difficult for others to gauge her emotions. 5. Mark was dash dash by recurring nightmares that kept him awake at night. B. Bedeviled. Bedevil means to cause trouble, confusion, or torment. Mark was tormented by recurring nightmares that kept him awake at night. 6. Mary dash dash at the idea of moving to a new city as she was attached to her hometown. A. Demurred. Demur means to raise objections or express doubts. Mary raised objections at the idea of moving to a new city as she was attached to her hometown. 7. The dash dash in Robert's creative process made it difficult for him to produce new artwork. B. Malaise. Malaise means a general feeling of unease or discontent, typically in a non-physical sense. The discontent in Robert's creative process made it difficult for him to produce new artwork. 8. Mary used a clever dash dash to get her friend to the surprise party. A. Ruse. Ruse means a trick or tactic intended to deceive someone. Mary used a clever tactic to get her friend to the surprise party. 9. The library offers a dash dash of resources for students to explore. B. Plethora. Plethora means a large or excessive amount of something. The library offers a large amount of resources for students to explore. 10. Corruption continues to dash dash the political landscape of the country. C. Scourge. Scourge means to cause great suffering or harm. Corruption continues to cause great harm to the political landscape of the country. 11. The dash dash detective solved every case assigned to him without fail. E. Infallible. Infallible means incapable of making mistakes or being wrong. The infallible detective solved every case assigned to him without fail. 12. The advanced calculus class was too difficult for the dash dash student. B. Uninitiated. Uninitiated means lacking knowledge or experience in a particular field or not familiar with a certain subject. The advanced calculus class was too difficult for the uninitiated student. 13. Smartphones have become dash dash in today's society. A. Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. Smartphones are found everywhere in today's society. 14. The lovers shared a dash dash kiss when no one was looking. C. Surreptitious. Surreptitious means kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. The lovers shared a secret kiss when no one was looking. 15. The theory of aliens building the pyramids is dash dash. D. Implausible. Implausible means not seemingly believable or not likely to be true. The theory of aliens building the pyramids is not likely to be true. That's all for this quiz session. I hope you did well and scored high. Please keep practicing accurate use of these words until the next quiz. Bye for now.